In this video, we will see how to write Python program. Before that, we need to see how many options are available to write Python program. First option is IDLE. IDLE shell gets installed at the time when you install Python on the machine. Let's search IDLE in the start menu. IDLE. You can see, just click on this. This is the editor. Here we can write Python program. Click on file, click on new file. You will see new editor. In this program, we will print some welcome message. Let's write print welcome to the Python. Just save the program before you lose it. Welcome one, and the file extension of the Python program is py. Let's click on save. Program is saved. In order to test this program, we have to click on run module. Welcome message is printed. Second option we can run Python program online. Let's see how to do it. Just cancel this out. Search Python compiler online. There is a first link. Just click on this link. On this platform, you can not only run your Python program, but you can run your C# program as well. You can run your Java program as well. On the left side, we can write any program, and on the right side, we can see the output. Let's write our first statement. As you can see, it is by default written. We want to print some message on the console. Just click on run button. You can see the output at the right side. If you want to run any other statement, let's write print welcome to the Python and just click on run. You can see both the message are printed at the right side. Next option, we have PyCharm editor, which we installed in the previous video. Just search PyCharm on the start menu. Click on this. So guys, you can see PyCharm IDE is loaded. To create a new program, you have to click on the 4-bar menus, file, new, click on Python file, specify any name, demo1. New file is created in the project. Here demo1.py is created. At the right side, if you want to display any welcome message with the program, so you just type in print welcome to the Python. That's it. You have to run this program. Just right click on the program, just select run demo1. So this is the window where all the output of the Python program gets generated. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.